2 Minutes. I'm Christie, and today I'm going to talk to you about common errors and a guide for best practice in table and figure titles. Table and figure titles can be confusing and can cause a lot of issues for students. Today we are going to touch on a few of these issues that may cause confusion. It's important to note that anyone looking at only your table or figure should be able to understand it without reading the rest of your document. Therefore, the title should be able to stand alone from the rest of the text. In most instances, you should not use abbreviations in the title. Always write out the word in full so that your table or figure stands alone. However, there are a few exceptions. For example, you should always include the number of participants or samples in brackets at the end of your title. Here, it is okay to substitute the word number with an N. Avoid titles that describe the style of figure or statistics. For example, a pie chart indicating descriptive statistics. This information is unnecessary for your reader. Titles should be written in complete sentences, following normal grammatical rules, such as starting with a capital letter and never starting with a numeral. It is usual for the title of a table to appear above the table, and the title of a figure would normally appear below the figure. It is also generally good practice to emphasize the word figure or table and the associated number. Both figures and tables should be numbered in order separately, even if there is only one in the entire document. A separate numbering system is used for tables and figures, so figure 1 is followed by figure 2, which could be followed by table 1, and so on. When referring to the table or figure within your document, it should always be capitalized. Remember, if a table or figure is from another author's work, you must include the citation within your title that aligns with the same citation style as the rest of the document. If you have changed the content in any way, you should state adapted from. The citation must also be included in your reference list at the end. A final word at the formatting of figure and table titles. Remember that the formatting must be consistent throughout the entire document, and the sizing should be similar to the rest of the document. To recap, make sure that your title can stand alone from the rest of your document. The title of a table should be above the table, and the title of a figure should be below the figure. Both figures and tables should be numbered in order, even if there is only one. The formatting should be consistent throughout the entire document, and do not forget to reference. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information.